Picture this. The steppes of Central Asia, 1220 AD. 5,000 Roman legionaries pulled through a temporal rift, but they're not carrying swords. Each man holds an M4A1 carbine with 200 rounds of 5.56 NATO ammunition. Their enemy? 50,000 Mongol horse archers under Genghis Khan. This is the ultimate test. Ancient discipline meets modern firepower. Roman centurion Marcus Aquila stares at a horizon that's moving. Not clouds. An ocean of horses stretching 3 miles wide. Mongol scouts report to Genghis Khan. "My Khan, Romans on the steppe. 5,000 men with strange staffs. No swords." Khan laughs. "Romans? Their empire is dead. We'll scatter them like leaves." He doesn't know those staffs fire 700 rounds per minute. Marcus gathers his centurions. "Form Testudo, defensive square, but we shoot through shield gaps. 3-round bursts only. We have 200 rounds per man, 1 million total, 50,000 enemies. The math works if we don't waste bullets." A legionary asks, "What if we run out?" Marcus replies coldly, "Then we die like Romans." The Mongols start their feigned retreat tactic. 1,000 riders charge, loose arrows at 300 meters wheel away. Classic steppe warfare. Marcus knows this game. He fought Parthian horse archers. "Hold fire! Nobody shoots until my order!" Mongol arrows rain down. Romans lock shields in Testudo. Arrows strike iron and wood. The formation holds. Not one Roman fires back. The Mongols are confused. Genghis Khan watches. "They show discipline. Send the next wave." 5,000 Mongols charge. At 400 meters, arrows blacken the sky. Marcus waits. 300 meters. Still waiting. 250 meters. Now. "First rank, fire! Controlled bursts!" M4s poke through shield gaps. The sound is devastating. A continuous roar. 5.56 NATO rounds travel at 3,000 feet per second. Mongol arrows, 200 feet per second. The bullets arrive instantly. Led Mongol riders simply fall. Horses collapse. At 250 meters, the M4 is incredibly accurate. The charge breaks. In 15 seconds, 600 Mongols dead. Roman casualties? 0. Ammunition expended? 3,000 rounds. 3% of supply. Khan is no longer laughing. His general Subutai says, "Not sorcery, just unknown weapons. But they're conserved, not pursuing. We can bleed them dry." Khan nods. "Surround them. Attack from all sides. Make them drain their ammunition." 50,000 Mongols divide into 4 groups. Marcus sees it. "All sides, prepare. Rotate fire. 1 rank shoots, 2 reload." The Mongols charge from every direction. 12,000 horses from north, south, east, west. Ground shaking. Romans fire from all 4 walls. M4s create continuous roar. Mongols fall in waves but keep coming. Roman discipline holds. 1 rank fires, reloads. 2nd fires, 3rd fires. Constant rotation. But ammunition burns faster than planned. 200 meters. Arrows find gaps in Testudo. Legionaries take hits. Wounded pulled inside. 100 meters. Romans see Mongol faces. Young warriors willing to die to close distance. Marcus decides, "Full automatic. Break them now or we're overrun." The M4s scream. Full auto at 100 meters is devastating. Horses cut down mid-leap. The charge disintegrates 50 meters out. Khan has lost 15,000 men. He sees Romans stopped firing. They're conserving. Subutai, one more push. They're running low. Khan hesitates for the first time ever. Finally, all forces, final assault. Reach them or die trying. 35,000 Mongols prepare to charge. Marcus checks. Ammunition status? 20 rounds per man, 100,000 total. 35,000 enemies. 3 bullets each if perfect. Not enough. Marcus addresses the legion. When bullets run out, we draw gladius and fight as Romans always fought. If we die together. Rome eternal! Rome eternal! The final charge begins. A tsunami of horses. Romans fire until barrels glow red. M4s jam from heat. They clear them and continue. Mongols fall in thousands, but keep coming. The bullets run out.
Marcus fires his last round, draws gladius.
Swords! Hold formation! Mongols crash into the shield wall like a freight train. Steel against steel. Ancient warfare, brutal and personal. Testudo flexes but holds. Romans stab through gaps. Mongols hack with sabers. Blood everywhere. But Roman discipline holds. They've trained for this their entire lives. Shield to shield, mechanical precision. Hours pass. Sun sets. Mongols pull back, exhausted. Khan lost 28,000 men. Marcus lost 1,200. The Khan rides forward under white flag. Marcus meets him. Khan speaks. You fight like demons. What are you? We are Rome. Khan nods. I have conquered the world, but not you. Take your men and go. Marcus marches off with 3,800 survivors. Behind them, Khan whispers, if Rome had these weapons in my grandfather's time, Mongols would never have left Mongolia. Final analysis. Modern weapons amplify tactics, but don't replace them. Rome's discipline made M4s effective. Without formation, they'd be overrun. Tactics and discipline matter more than technology. Here's your question. What if Khan captured the M4s and reverse-engineered them? Could 1220 AD engineers create rifles? Option A. Yes, with time and resources. Option B. No, the metallurgy is impossible. Vote A or B. Subscribe, because next, Apache helicopter versus every Game of Thrones dragon. Hellfire missiles versus dragon scales. Remember, the best weapon is backed by discipline. Out.